Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera color detector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then we tap on advanced settings. Next, tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. Then go down to the last option and tap on color detector. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now you can point your camera at something to hear what color it is. So first, I'm going to go back to the home screen and open up the camera app. In here, you want to tap on the more button at the bottom. Then tap on Bixby Vision.
Dark yellow.
Next
Capture
you want to swipe across and then
light beige.
You want to choose color detector. And then you can just start to tap on the read button.
Light beige, black, dark gray, dark gray, dark gray, black, black, light beige, white, dark blue, blue, light beige.
And that's it. So that is how you can use the camera to read out the color or the color detector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.